I have a best friend. Her name is Anne. Anne is blind. Sometimes we like the same thing. Sometimes we like the different thing. Anne likes to read books. She reads Braille. I like to read book too. Sometimes we like the same thing. Anne likes to swing. I like to slide. Sometimes we like different things. Anne likes to skate. I like to skate too. Sometimes we like the same thing. Anne likes to work with clay. I like to paint. Sometimes we like different things. Anne likes to write story. She writes on her Braille writer. I like to write story too. Sometimes we like the same thing. Sometimes we like the same thing. Sometimes we like different things. But we will always be best friends.
너무 빨라.
100 years ago, there were no cars 100 years ago. How did people get around town? They rode horses. There was no microwave 100 years ago. How did people make a popcorn? They made popcorn in a pot on the stove. There were no refrigerator 100 years ago. How did people keep food cold? They had icebox. There were no TVs 100 years ago. What did people do for fun? They played games. There were no big jet 100 years ago. How did people travel far away? They took the train. There were no nightlight 100 years ago. How did people see in the dark? They used a candle. There were pets 100 years ago. People had dogs and cats. Just like you.